Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region. And I'm joined today by Javier García del Río. He is Head of Automation at Canal de Isabel. Javier, welcome to the studio.
Thank you very much. Thank you for inviting me to this studio.
We're very excited to talk with you today. We're here to discuss a little bit about the digitalization to transform Madrid's freshwater infrastructure. So I've been to Barcelona many times, but not Madrid yet. I know it's a beautiful, amazing city, and what you're doing for the city is really interesting. So I can't wait to get into the topic. But before we do, could you just tell us a little bit about Canal de Isabel and what the mission is?
Okay. Canal de Isabel II is the company that manages the whole water cycle in the region of Madrid. And my role, as you said, is head of automation and telecontrol department. Who is the mission of my department is to integrate the whole operational data in our systems.
That's perfect. All right, that's really good context for our viewers. So my first question, can you help us understand what some of the challenges that you're looking to address with your smart plant project? Tell us a little bit about that.
Canal de Isabel II is a water company whose mission is to ensure the water supply, guaranteeing the water quality at every stage in the whole water cycle. So the main challenge is to accomplish this mission and leverage the benefits that digital transformation can bring about for it, which are efficiency improvements. Automation and digital tools can save operational costs, can increase productivity, can streamline processes. Also, access to data insights. We can make data-driven decisions from different data sets, and of course enhance the customer experience. We'll be able to better understand our customer by data analytics and customized services.
Interesting. All right. Well, let's talk a little bit about, like, when you're looking for an automation vendor for the smart plant project, what drove your decision-making process? What were you thinking about?
As a public company, our customers are at the center of the digitalization, but vendors, distributors, integrators, installers, manufacturers must be part of this project. I think a vendor should act more as a solution partner, focus on delivering the right product, the right solution, the right service according to the customer's need. A delivery should be on time. Product should offer high quality features, and a good service can be agile, customized, and expert.
Excellent, excellent. Can you give me an example of how you're going to manage the large amount of data that's going to, that you're going to have that you have access to? What's your strategy for that?
Yes. We are making an effort to achieve a well-structured data architecture to provide data from any source to any analytical project. Some representative projects for this can be reducing non-revenue water by analyzing potential water losses, improving energy efficiency, and increasing our energy self-consumption by studying the plant's performance and system behavior, or providing new services to our customer by analyzing data from the smart water meter.
Understood. From that data, you'll get important insights, and from there, be
Yes.
able to take good actions. Okay. So, in one of your white papers, right, you discuss digital culture. Right? How important is it to get everyone on the same page, everyone on board, and how have you helped everyone in the organization understand the vision and the approach? How have you done that?
Of course, people are essential for the success of the digital transformation process. Communication and engagement are crucial in this journey. Communication maybe is the key to help them understand and they can earn new expertise and make their jobs better. And the key, of course, to emphasize that it may not be an option, the digital transformation. And engagement is a win-win situation involving people in developments, boosts their confidence and enables them to contribute their knowledge into the digital project.
That's really good to know. Thank you for that. All right, so my understanding is that you are owned by the community of Madrid. How did you sell the investment in digitalization to your stakeholders? What was your approach for that?
It's mandatory for us to outline and detail in advance each investment we want to undertake and explain the reasons for it. The government of Community of Madrid is aware of the importance of our mission, that is to ensure water supply, guaranteeing water quality, and is promoting digitalization as a tool to achieve this mission efficiently, transparently, and getting closer to our customers.
Javier, it sounds like a really exciting and worthwhile project that's going to benefit so many people. So thank you so much for sharing your insights, your strategy, and your vision in the studio today. This has been a great discussion, so thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about water solutions, visit rockwellautomation.com.